Ovoid and egg-shaped animal body. Hi, I'm Hui Pei from Pocket Yarnlings, and thank you for joining me today. We'll be talking about how to crochet a different kind of animal body. As you know, most of them are either spherical or cylindrical. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to try to show you how to make it a slightly irregular shape, like an ovoid shape. And then right at the end, after you have tried out this main basic body, you can actually try it out on an animal pattern that is available on my blog, which you will be able to see in the link in description. So after you finish this tutorial, then you'll understand what I mean. So let's get started. Ovoid body. Start with chain 24. Single crochet end to end. Continue single crochet all around the chain to make a round. Continue into round 18. Steps for round 18. Round 18 completed. Steps for round 19. Round 19 completed. Repeat the same steps for rounds 20 to 21. Steps for round 22. Round 22 completed. Steps for round 23. Round 23 completed. Steps for round 24. Round 24 completed. Final ovoid and egg-shaped body piece. Hope you enjoyed this animal shaping tutorial. If you want to see other ways to shape your animal, remember to go and check out the playlist that I've included below, where I show you how to shape like the ears, the snout, the body, as well as like what you and paws as well. So and also don't forget that I have a free animal shaping starter guide, which is available below, so you can check out the link in the description below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you really enjoyed this video. So I hope this video actually has given you some ideas on what to do for your next project, and then I'll see you in the next one.